Morning. Today we're gonna drive 30 minutes to King of Prussia to go start filming there and setting up and everything. I go to the park again. We have to go to get groceries and then maybe check in the hotel. Since I know them, it might be better, but yeah. Okay, so feeling unlucky today, so I just literally brought all of my stuff down to the front desk because I was just like, I don't know. I don't know a lot of things. So not feeling the greatest today, but we're gonna try to make the best of it. Yeah. Yep.
Just do a quick walk around.
But yeah. They had an issue with my billing address. So now I have to call them back with the billing address and I got a bad feeling today. All right, let's go and get my stuff from the apartment. On the way, it's gonna take 37 minutes to get there. Here we go. I'm stressed. Stressy day. You know what I mean? Just a little stressy. I'm at the same park that I was at previous weekend, not in Michigan, but the other place. And looks like the trail goes down over here to see the river, so I think I might go check that out after I eat. My mental state, bro, it's just crap today. A lot of times I just feel like just passing days, see how many days I can pass before like the next cool adventure. I hear thunder, so I'm gonna turn around soon, but passing days till I can feel like I'm living again. All right, it's gonna rain, let's go turn around. Shit, it's definitely raining right now. Everything's gonna get freaking soaked. I got in the hotel. The guy was trying to like mansplain to me how the rewards points work. I was like, oh, okay, thanks. Already know. Cool, not too shabby. It's kind of the same as last time. Except I only have one bed instead of two. Well, today's been a pretty depressing day. Pouring rain, issues with the rental car, the hotel people. Oh, you're gonna be charged an early check-in fee. No, I'm not, because I'm with the group. Hotel room life, oh yeah. Tonight on my schedule, it says that it's gonna end at 11, which means I probably, and if it does, right, it could go earlier and it could go later. I'll probably get back to the hotel around, and go to sleep around, I don't know, 12:30-ish. and then I have to wake up at 6 a.m. However, next weekend I will have off, so it's good and bad, but you know, it is what it is. It's what happens when you work a part-time seasonal job. This is just like what I go through periodically. It sucks. It is 10:11 at night. Have not eaten dinner because they didn't have the food for me. So I've just eaten a bagel and, you know, it has not sufficed. I am hungry, and one thing that I know about myself is that I should never go to bed hungry because it sucks, and like it's painful when you're trying to sleep and your stomach is growling. So I'm going to Wawa. I'm going on a little Wawa run, son. Pick up some stuff. Haley ordered it for me while I was working, so I appreciate that. So I'm gonna go pick it up and eat Wawa while I'm, you know, trying to do my nightly routine for this video job. All right, got a little sandwich and a little smoothie. Okay, let's get this operation in business. All right, at last we are going to bed at a somewhat reasonable time. It's 10:43, so yeah, time to get some shut-eye for tomorrow, which is gonna be a long day too.